Hey guys, I've got a great dream project I've been trying to get done for a couple years. We just got it finished up, and I want to walk you through all the steps of getting it from up here as an idea to finished project. Come on guys, you know me, let's get busy. So guys, as you know, I maintain quite a bit of property, and this is something that's going to make things much easier for me. It's going to take out some labor steps in the middle of like hauling mulch, dealing with rock, and it'll allow me to use the tractor a lot more. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So anyway, if you've been to nurseries, you see they have these mulch pits, rock pits. They'll have like dark brown, light brown, red, all what of that, and this is kind of a much smaller version. Most of the ones you see in the nurseries, they are stacked 3 high. They're a lot wider, a lot bigger, a lot deeper. For me, my needs, I just needed the small one. So walk you through when we first started laying this out. Of course, this is off the back side of my shed. It'll tie in when I go get a load of gravel. This will all tie into my existing pathway of what I've got to work with. I'll be able to come in with a load of mulch or whatever, pull around, then back in and dump once I get this built up. But anyway, to take you through the process, so the first thing that we did was we had to come in and level the ground. This was about 5 inches higher. Wouldn't think it has that much fall, but it does. Used a skid steer for that. Then they framed up. I'm sorry, I wasn't here the day. I didn't actually do the frame up part or the dealing with the concrete. So I missed that and didn't get that on video, but I will take you here and I will show you the pouring and the process of taking this. This is called a semi-slick. This is not quite as slick as what you would have in a basement, but we did not want to do a broom stroke because I wanted the bucket to be able to slide easily and not have little things get stuck in the little pores. So we did a semi-slick finish. Load number 2. So everybody calls these the giant Lego built blocks that you get. Anyway, these are 2 by 4, 2 foot by 4 foot. They weigh about a little over 2,000 pounds a piece, and I will show you the video of us bringing them in. We had to route them in through the lower part of my property. Well, I just got some great news today. The block is on the way from the concrete place. Those things weigh 2,000 pounds a piece. So Dean's having to bring his 85G down here to lift them and put them in place. So anyway, he offloaded up top of the hill. Now we're headed down to where we poured the pan. Well, man, that's perfect timing. Dean's getting back to here and the truck has come with the concrete on the back of it. Time on this truck. This is load number 2. We'll have one more load after this. That'll be almost a full load. This is the 3rd time. Well guys, as you can see, the project turned out great. All I've got now to do is get some free time and run and start grabbing inventory to put in here. This one I'm planning to use for like special projects, whether I'm doing river rock, doing train track rock, whatever projects, even mulch. This one will always be mulch and I will keep it stocked, and I'm looking forward to getting all that in here. That'll be coming, and I'll have that in a video soon of us going to getting the first loads. So guys, tickled to death to have this. This is a project, again, I've been wanting to get done for a long time. I'm tickled to have it completed. Can't wait to start using it. So guys, speaking of projects here, you know with Project Next One, there's always one more. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.